So we have got our hands on the brand new Match Attax Euro 24 starter pack, and we're going to open it in just 60 seconds. So inside you will get a binder, a playing mat, a game guide, 2 packs of cards, and a limited edition pack. So flying through pack number 1, we start ourselves off with a nice QR code. We have Bergwijn, Xhaka, Calhanoglu, a very nice purple Sukic, Antrikoglu, Ruben Dias, João Felix, and Adeyemi to finish. So no big pulls so far, but the cards look insane. We have Mwene, Courtois, Kier, Olaru of Romania, a nice Popescu, Stefan, Fabian Schär of Newcastle United, my boy himself. We then have the limited editions, and we got the headline card right here. We then have a nice QR code for the app. So Cristiano Ronaldo, the GOAT, Jude Bellingham, and a couple of tactic cards to finish. Honestly, these might just be the best design Match Attax cards ever, and I'm opening all the new products ahead of the official release over the next couple of weeks. So be sure to check out my YouTube channel for more videos.